Hello and welcome back to the SDC Knowledge series, where we simplify Revit workflows and help you make smarter modeling decisions. I'm Namrata, and in today's episode, we're discussing a topic that often creates confusion for Revit users: groups versus assemblies. Both tools combine multiple elements, but their purpose, behavior, and impact on projects are very different. To clarify this once and for all, I'm joined by our BIM manager, Dilip. Welcome, Dilip. At a high level, what's the main difference between groups and assemblies?
While both tools group elements together, they serve very different goals. Groups are designed for repetition and consistency. They are ideal when the same layout appears multiple times, like apartments, hotel rooms, or typical floors. Assemblies, on the other hand, are meant for documentation and presentation. They allow us to isolate a specific part of the building and treat it as a separate construction package. Understanding this intent helps decide which tool to use.
How do assemblies behave when changes are made?
Assemblies are unique objects. If you modify one assembly instance, Revit creates a new assembly type. This makes assemblies unsuitable for repetitive elements, but extremely powerful for creating dedicated 3D views, plans, sections, and elevations, generating schedules and material takeoffs, documenting prefabricated or complex construction systems. They work best when each assembly is meant to be documented individually.
Why are groups preferred for repeating layouts?
Groups update globally. If you edit one group instance, all instances update automatically. This is incredibly useful for design efficiency. You can still make local adjustments by temporarily excluding specific elements without breaking the group entirely. Groups also remain lightweight and flexible, making them ideal for large projects with repetitive layouts.
Any practical rule for choosing between the two?
Yes, it's quite simple. If the goal is repetition and fast updates, use groups. If the goal is detailed documentation and isolated views, use assemblies. Using the wrong tool can increase model complexity, so this decision really matters.
Dilip, thank you for breaking this down so clearly. And to our listeners, when you understand Revit's intent behind each tool, workflows become faster and cleaner. Stay tuned for the next episode of the SDC Knowledge series.